This is a D44 McCulloch, made in 1956. It's 4.4 cubic inch, 72 cc, weighs 19 pounds, just a power head. Has a Tillotson HL19 series carburetor. It's 6,500 RPMs, capable of running a 24-inch barn chain. This was the first of a series of engines that kept McCulloch a leader in professional chainsaws for years. I just want to show you a couple things on it. It's in for its age and vintage. It's in good shape. And there's the, you can see those numbers. Got the old original McCulloch bar. Big falling spike. And it's got those wrap handlebars. It does have a crack right there on the starter. Still starts good. Let's have a look in here. Got that great Tillotson carburetor. Let's see, I think we can fire it up here. Now let's go outside and see if we can make some chips fly.